This is a 2019 GMC Yukon. It's got the 5.3 liter V8. We just ran it out the side with this nice 4-inch dual tip, giving a nice custom look to it. Removed the rear resonator in the back there. Installed a nice Flowmaster 40, giving a nice clean throaty sound, just like an exhaust should. Not a lot of racket like them straight pipe guys. Let's see what it sounds like. Like I said, nice and clean, deep and throaty tone. More of a classic sound these days. Should be what the customer's looking for.